Well, this Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, it's really an evolution on our old SRT, but takes it completely to the next level. So this has the Hellcat engine in it, 707 horsepower, and top speed 180 miles an hour. And this is something that Jeep fans all the way around the world have been waiting to see. So it's been great to reveal it today.
Clearly a stunning vehicle, but it's really about the performance of what this Trackhawk represents. You know, this is the most powerful, the quickest SUV ever manufactured.
Unique to the Trackhawk is that it is a 6.2-liter Hemi all-wheel drive, which hasn't been done in the past. So the unique challenge there is handling that immense torque output into an all-wheel drive system. So we updated the transfer case itself by increasing the amount of forged components used, the change capacity, and obviously how we balance that output both to the front and rear axle.
Jeeps has history and capability, obviously, not just our off-road capability, but when we introduced the original SRT back in 2006, we established great capability on-road as well. And this, again, I think just is on top of that. So this is going to continue to help us push Grand Cherokee right into the premium part of the full-size SUV segment.
Anytime you can take an SUV and get it to 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, it's amazing.
Well, clearly this is going to be a Jeep enthusiast, but it's going to be somebody who really appreciates a premium, high-performance vehicle, regardless of its type. And now we'll be able to get that in an SUV, and we're very, very pleased to be able to offer it to them.